Today's video, it's going to be a quick one because I just recorded a video for Valentine's Day and love like 2 minutes before I started this video. So go check that out. That will be on my podcast playlist because it's a longer one, and honestly I would love for you guys to listen to it and let me know your comments. So this one's going to be quite short, under 10 minutes. This is going to be about your, like, where you are focused on, right? So we on the video I did for the end of January, I kind of asked us to reflect on our goals and if we're achieving or making progress towards it. And to build on that, you then ask yourself, what am I focusing on? I heard that skiers, like, ski, like snow skiing and all of that wonderful stuff, they tell you to think of, to focus on the path. You don't think, oh, let me not hit the tree, or, I don't want to hit the tree. Just think of, stay on the path, and all you see is the path. Like, you should be focused on your goals and not your problems or the obstacles to achieving those goals. Like, if I ask you right now, what are the obstacles to achieving your goal? If, like, within 30 seconds you can give me spitfire of all the roadblocks and all the hiccups and hindrance and worries and stress and woe is me situation on why this your goal or dream cannot happen, I would say reevaluate. Okay, reevaluate. If you can think of all that problems, like, snap like that, reevaluate and think, okay, can I think of all the ways that I can achieve, or will I say counteract, all of those roadblocks, stumbling blocks, hindrance? Can you think of all of that under 30 seconds as well? If you cannot, then I strongly recommend to reevaluate, because your focus is so fixed on the problems, and you might think, oh, I need to be focused on the problems, or I need to know the problems to know how to fix them. Yes, that is right. I'm not saying to not know what the problems are. Like, how would you know what to fix if you don't know what the issue is? Like, are you going to just be shooting blind? No, you actually need to know what it is to counteract it. I'm saying just don't focus on it. same example as last time. I want to be a millionaire. However, the economy is really bad. Inflation is going up. And I have some, what do you call them? Some loan? Is it loan? Or what do they call them? Things you have to pay back. Some debt? Yeah, debt. Oh my God. Don't judge me. I have some debt, and how would I be a billionaire? Like, great, you have all of this. What are you focusing on? Are you focusing on how to be a million? Like, what is the thing you're actually focused on to get into your goal? Are you just like, okay, yes, the economy is bad. I have heard, like, I don't think there's a time when the economy was good that people were saying, oh, the economy was good. Like the present time when the economy was good, everyone was like, oh, the economy is so good, so flourishing now. No, it's always people speak in hindsight. The economy was so good 2 years ago. The economy was so good when we were still pre-COVID era. The economy was so good when it was pre-COVID. No one was saying, oh my God, look around, the economy is so good. No, they were all focused on what was so wrong about the economy. So if you're focused on right now, the economy is bad, it's inflation, all of this stuff, like, it's a problem that it's a problem that has proven itself to keep being, to keep happening. However, if that is true for you, is up to you. It's when I say if that is true for you, is up to you, is if that hinders you, is up to you. Like, it's your choice, because you create what you want. If you decide, I want to be a millionaire, so my active steps is I'm going to try to reach out to investors, or I'm going to reach out to a couple of friends so we can work on this project, and on our spare time we can start researching on the market trends and how we can pitch our idea to insert whoever they want to pitch your idea to. Like, that is something that you're now focused on. So your brain power is now all focused on getting that done. And then after that, what is the next step? Like, your brain is now focused on that. You're being driven, you're being inspired by your goal, you're being propelled by your goal, not held back by your weaknesses. Because there's always going to be weaknesses, but that doesn't have to hold you back. It's always, perspective. Yes, I work a 9 to 5, so I'm very busy during the day, and I don't have time to dedicate to my project within that working hours. That is true. That is let's say, can be seen as a drawback to your new project you want to start. But another one that can be true is, in your 9 to 5, do you have any breaks? Do you have any time within the week that you can dedicate to? And if the answer still is no, then you know that is not feasible for, like, that plan is not feasible for, this timeline, because this is what the situation is like. And then okay, I need to think of a better plan that is actually going to get me to my goal. Not thinking, oh, I'm limited by all of this, and not do anything outside of that. You're just focused on what is drawing you back, and you forget or you lose sight of the goal. Well, that's it. Under 10 minutes. Proud of myself. I'm going to go to sleep now, and probably have some cookies in the morning. It's too late to eat anything. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful February. I've been seeing people writing that February is actually their own start of the new year. Okay, guys, okay. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful month, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Feel free to subscribe when the mood hits you, and have a good night. Bye. Hi guys, good night. It's 12:40 a.m. Why am I still awake? Today is February 7th, right? And the 6th, the day before, I just had in my head, because it's my last day of, just thought, oh, I'm going to celebrate my accomplishments. I have shortbread cookies. Let me show you guys. I got this from Costco. Anyone that loves like Scottish shortbread, like the shortbread, you guys are going to, it's huge. This is what I'm using to celebrate my good health. Are you seeing it? It's the 4 of them. Anyway, the entire day I was like, oh, I'm going to get to filming. I'm going to get there. And I didn't. Here we are.
No, I just think money recognizes me. Money is comfortable around me. Money likes me. So money feels when it needs someone to talk to, it'll choose me in the crowd and it'll come and sit next to me. Whether it comes in a form of whatever, but it will choose me.